Let's take a JSON schema and automatically convert it to a ShadowTraffic configuration file. On the right, I have a JSON schema here that has a bunch of different properties, some IDs, names, emails, things that are pretty basic to any kind of a JSON schema related to users. ShadowTraffic can now automatically take a JSON schema or an Avro schema and convert it to an approximate ShadowTraffic configuration. Here I take the schema that I have, it's called complexschema.json, I mount it into the container, and then I ask it to bootstrap it from this JSON schema file, and I ask it to connect it up to Kafka. If I run that, it gives me a pretty decent approximation of what my file should actually be. If I expand my terminal, you can see what it's done. It's gone and looked at my file, and then it's produced an approximation of what that configuration should look like. And so they're not all going to be exact, but it takes guesses using fuzzy matching on the parent name strings. And so we can figure out that an email key should look like an email address, and name should probably be some kind of a similar identifier, similar with numbers and Boolean expressions. And then on top of that, it gives you a bunch of links to all of the generator functions that it uses so you can reference them really quickly, along with a command to immediately run this configuration file. And so hope that helps get started with ShadowTraffic easier. It's been really useful. If the bigger your specs are, the easier it is to get going.